Here's a quick tutorial on how to print multiple place cards on one page. First, open up the right side panel by clicking the small arrow on the right. Then make sure the Pages option is selected. Now you can see we have one place card. To create more, we'll click the Duplicate Page option. Create as many duplicates as needed. Select each duplicate and change the necessary text. We'll create 10 total. Next, click the Download button at the top and choose PDF. Make sure Show Bleed and Show Trim Marks are enabled. Then, enable Save Paper. This option will fit as many designs as possible on a sheet of paper. Select the appropriate paper size. Ensure that all is selected under the Pages dropdown. Then, click Download. Wait a few seconds for Templett to create your PDF. You'll see that 8 place cards fit on the first page, and the remaining 2 on the second page. You'll also notice that the place cards begin repeating again at the end of the second page. This is normal as Templett tries to utilize all the space on each page. After printing, use the trim marks to help you make the perfect cuts for each place card. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to us on Etsy Messenger. And thanks for purchasing from our shop.